I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update. Wake Tech opened its doors and welcomed hundreds of future students at Fall Open House. The Southern Wake campus was bustling with more than 700 guests who explored more than 60 programs, booths, toured labs, attended info sessions, and got help with admissions, resources, and student services. The event gave families a first-hand look at transfer pathways, workforce training, and degree programs. Registration for spring classes opens soon. Visit apply.waketech.edu for much more. Wake Tech broke ground on a game-changing training facility. Ceremonial groundbreaking marked the start of the Perry Family Simulation Hospital at the Perry Health Sciences campus. The 100,000 square foot center will include simulated emergency, operating, imaging, patient rooms, labs, and respiratory care, all designed to mimic real hospital settings. The project will also expand nursing and allied health capacity on campus. 3 outstanding students have earned Wake Tech's top academic honor. Kieran Kaur, Nehu Amaranehi, and Wei Wu were named 2025-26 Scott Scholars. Each will receive up to $3,500 for tuition, books, fees, plus a laptop, mentoring, and a summer internship. The merit-based scholarship is designed to provide leadership development opportunities for outstanding students. Congratulations to these student leaders for paving the way for others. Wake Tech students were baking up a storm at the North Carolina American Culinary Federation competition in October. Students earned 31 medals in sugar, chocolate artistry, and showpiece cakes, including 12 gold, 13 silver, and 6 bronze. Yuki Signini won Best in Show for a Japanese wedding cake inspired by traditional motifs. A delicious crowning showcase achievement with precision and passion. Wake Tech has named new leaders to power enrollment and student support. Scarlett Edwards becomes Associate Vice President for Enrollment Services, overseeing admissions, outreach, and advising. Michael Coleman now leads military and veteran support. Faith Palmer is Dean of the Care Center, helping provide students with wellness resources, transportation assistance, emergency funding, and much more. New leadership, renewed focus on student success. Wake Tech is accelerating success with a new completion program. The Boost Initiative launched this semester to help students earn degrees faster in high-demand STEM fields. It offers dedicated advising, specialized activities, and financial support to boost retention. A smart boost to speed progress and power persistence. Design and engineering education got a big upgrade at Wake Tech. Wake Tech has partnered with Autodesk and Kimley Horn in a multi-year collaboration, including software, curriculum support, $250,000 in funding, and internship pipelines for students. The partnership enhances training in design, engineering, and advanced manufacturing. Investing in tools, talent, and local industry alignment. Transferring made easier. Wake Tech now accepts Common App. Wake Tech now uses the Common App platform, making it easier for students to apply and transfer to four-year colleges. The change improves visibility, reduces redundancy, and expands access to more universities. Less friction, more opportunities for students to step up. And finally, the Wake Tech Foundation just hit a major milestone. The foundation raised more than $8.7 million in 2024-2025's fiscal year, the highest total in the foundation's history. Donations supported scholarships, student support, faculty, and staff innovation in technology. The generosity of donors reflects strong community support and a belief in Wake Tech's mission. And that's your Wake Tech News Update.